Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Peace,
Wenaki officer Badepet Dejingo Composite Regional Center CRC-SHILLONG Uram Shakal Sahani Ula Ong Kajing Train Akabenta Kibriu Badon Jingduna Recordment Kalong Kabakong Sanbha Hakini Kisngi Kani Kalong Bamenta Kalami Kajing Snotho Bakito Kibaduna Recordment Kidei Banyo Lem Yabaro Kijingmentoy Kumbayo Lem Kiway Uram Shakal Ulaong Bakade Halor Kanongrim Baka Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Person with Disability Kalapinlong JINGHIKAI Yakito Kibajutre Nakabenta Kibaduna Department Batip Eki Kumki Multi Rehabilitation Workers MRW and Community Based Rehabilitation Workers CBRW. Kani ka JINGHIKAI ka kantop ya baro ki jat kam ki ban penbyang na kabenta ki jingdon kam jang ki to ki briu baduna do kotmen ya kani ka JINGHIKAI KYRPANG ba arsngi na kabenta ki nongtrei labatha to deputy commissioner jang ka East JAINTIA Hills bat khatsangmut ki blawan manishimenta hakani ka sngi
Development. What are the rights for the person with disability? In this chapter, everything is included. Okay, in chapter 4, skill development. Actually, this program is initiated by the DC East JAINTIA Hills, Claria. So he want a special training for the CBRW and MRW, and he approached to the CRC-SHILLONG. And I received a letter in the month of the April by DSWO Claria, and after receiving this initiation letter, I approached to the my head office NIEPMD, and lastly I got approval from our head office NIPMED, and in this training 14 participants are available and they are getting training. After this training, they will be able to identify the disabled person in the village. So this training program is very helpful. Why? Because in this training program, we are providing training to the CBRW and MRW. And CBRW and MRW is directly working with the person with disability in the village. So they will be understand in this training about the RPWD Act. The RPWD Act and also the 21 type of the disability. That all type of the disability, they will be learn the definition of the disability, characteristics of the disability, and the management plan of the disability. So after this training, they will be able to identify the disabled person in the village, and this training is very helpful for them. Actually, the trainer direct can approach to the CRC-SHILLONG, and we will enroll the disabled person in CRC-SHILLONG, and also we can provide the services, rehabilitation and education through CRC-SHILLONG and through the CBRW and MRW. So as per the RPWD Act, there is a special provision for the special courts. So those who have any problem in the society, in the education, they are suffering from the problem, the person with disability, they can apply the special course, and the special course taking direct action for the person with disability and for the protection of the rights of the person with disability.
As of now, from January till March, nila alit ba ni don kum ki assessment camp kum tu, the hang tu ni ïAKI distribution camp. The hang tu on the same camp we are having like assessment for ID, especially ID and MD. The hang tu ni identify. Don pat ki ba long they are not eligible, no, lamar ki don the category. The ni refer ki center ni. The hang ni ïAKI ka long ka ba ki don kam. Treatment dan ke therapy nanti saya refer pada ki bakin let lana ki don kam HA long other treatment mo ni refer ki namba most ni la pendet dia ni ke benar ada datang ya kam distribution of TLM kits namba taki parents ro ni eye training and parents like dada dep kitu yo kitu ki training kids kitu ki dalam kes ni ai kum no ban pendan kam yaki nanta kum no ban pet yo khon kum no ban ïAKI kitu ka aware from bad touch good touch keturu good education like kum no ban long ki kini ki pa aware like not day ban shu pen shong yaki khon hayeng kum to ken aware ki kata Kawai and most common problem is that like kiba sa shajangai nimla ban lek pet yaki man kapor ma Kawai ru ka as we see ka long ka weather mo shani ka weather long maslap ting balance like te kim la hi ban wan don ru ki bam yo pisa kim kam don re kata ka jing yo jing kot ban wan shulu shilong mun ta ka bai kali ka yu la ki te se Kawai ru lada ki briu ki long ni kloi ban ïAKI ka jing era tang ba ki kim long kim la ban pediam mo long de bam la ban pediam long kim la ban wan hangi te se Kawai ru lada long kum tu kin da ki briu ki wan shani kim la ban kim don ka kot ka sla ka ni penyerat ki te main kade ka adhar bat ka UDID hi bangi ya kenduk hapo or por balik sha field work tu tang kata hi te se Kawai pat ka bang ongi ya pi ba ki don jungtuna ha ga jingyok jingkot ban wan shani liang pisa ko leng te
na takadaw ni hakaning ye iba kilak te bakim la man point mo sining jini takadaw ni kwa ba ka boru ka way resource people mo nandi ka manpower ngi dang kam dunahi te lingba kini ki program na ni kini ki training ki bangi ai te at least 1% or 2% ru kila man ai kita ki jingara te komantang is dang sure de ini I training ibangi kin hikai ki kumno ban identify mot kumno ban ithu iki ki khulum ki badan jing system ki dukhat mat ki jinki te da lingba ki ni gidon so ki way pat ki kinja training ki bangin hikai ki kumno bakin I that just ki first kumban om ki to ki home program activities ani home program therapy ki ba la ban yarap iki kumno ban hikai pat sa yaki kmi ki pa ki ba de ki briu mo ki lani ki de ki bakong samtam ki badan para bor hakti hakjat lani hajan mom apsa kunta bat ki khun ni ai kum kita ki kinja training even yaki ki parents lani ki rehabilitation workers kumno ba ki la ban net ban ai kata ka jing yarab na ka benta jeng iwe kita ki khlum ki khna lani ki badan ki ni ki jing duna ki dukhat men to takadang ni kwa ban kenturu ya kiwe bakin wan mi shakmat ban yo kum kini kinja training kanang ba kan long ka jing mentoy na kabenta ka imlang salang na mar ban om mangin tretang mangin ngamla ban cover up ya kata ka jing ya kini baro mo na mar kila bon hapo ka state jingi hi tingi kwa ban ya kintu ya ki baro iki badai hakai rehabilitation workers lani ki badan ki jing thu ban yarap ikum kini kin wan shakmat bat kin shin kini ki kinja training kanang bakin yo ka jing mentoy bat ban ai lem ban sam lem ban la ban rung haman ka community lani haman ka shnong ka tham ban yo ban ai kini ki jing yarap ikini ki klung khna ka composite regional center kani ka don hangi han kiti an hakani ka center fila ban yo baro ki jing toy long hakaliang jong ka kot ka khya la ne kumbangi ong clinical services ti hangni ro ki don ki specialist in ha ki baro ki department kumentangi don a physiotherapist tingi don clinical psychologist ni don a vocational instructor ni don orientation and mobility instructor ki bala ban pet hakiway pat ki jing duna ki dukhat net komentangan show I example ki ni dan clinical psychologist ibala ban pet ki tu ki badan jing duna ki jing khat ki jing ki tingi dan kom vocational instructor ki ba la ban batai bunya ala ni ban hikai ki kumnu bakin yeng hala ki jang ki kejat ban ai ki skill la ni ki training kumnu ba kin nang mo ban sedang ban kamai kaji tingi dan kom I orientation and mobility instructor itapat ibade pe yeki bamatla ti ai JINGHIKAI ki kumno ban tho ban tar lani ban ya ban yeng haka imlang salang i kumno bakin la ban long yeng brium mo te don so ni don ko mga ngadi physiotherapist te haka liang ka bapet ya ka jing kumno ban pin exercise ki kanang bakin yo bor kanang bakin la ban le ki kam ki jang mo ting ni don ro I special educator jini ti itapat ipet haka liang ka pule puthi kumno ban penyarap iki bakin na ban smuthu hala ne ban le pha ki kitu ki khna ki ba ni pha ki school mo lali kum ki we ru ki jing pule Tingidan ro kiwe te kum ini ngidan rehabilitation officer jini ini ri balak pentebet shushu ela dia hakitu ki bade bam yo snow no kitu ti ila ban ai shushu ki jinya rap kitu ki pamla ban yo snow kunju te hoat mentangi dang don kat ni hi professional workers apo ka CRC tang bahang ni syakamat rukin nang wan bun kide ki ba pet kum ki occupational therapist ni ki speech and hearing kita ki ban pet hakaliang jong ka keran ka jinyo snow ti kindan kum shushu kum kita ti kan ni baro ki services ki bang ni ai han ni menta ki long free of cost mat kindum don ka jing sio na ka leng jong ki baki wan man yo ya kindi ki services ki bang ni ai ti kalong ni kwa ban kentu ya baro bakin wan ni man wan chakmat ban wan pin itu la ni ban wan lam ni ki shini ta daw ni ai kum kan ni ka kinja training ya kiru kanang bakin na ban sung thu shine ya ka e ka bangi le hang ni ti bat yaki jad baro kim kita ki arway tali ki disability ka bangi wanra ha ini jo jaka ki la ban yo ya ka jing men toy ki